where I need. Welcome to our factory. I'll show you exactly how dairy milk chocolate is made, step by step.
Here in the mixer, cocoa mass, milk solids, sugar, and cocoa butter are perfectly balanced.
Every batch is refined and tested to achieve the signature dairy milk smoothness.
Every chocolate bar is carefully checked before leaving the factory.
The molten chocolate is precisely tempered and poured, beginning its journey through our state-of-the-art facility.
And that's how dairy milk chocolate is made and mixing, from start to finish.